2005 to 2008. Since I handed over to the new executive, unfortunately, that secondary is no more existing, and in place of it, we have now Igbo Welfare Association, and they have decided to elect me again as their chairman. So it's an honor and privilege that my people have given me that recognition. And it's my hope that I'm going to give them the best I can, and positive leadership, being sincere to them, being open to them, not put my sentiments, not bring politics inside our union, just to give them all I can, just to make our people united as one. So that is my hope and my desire as the new chairman of the union.
So, in the nearest future, what advice do you have for the administration?
The advice is have for them is to be open-minded, to see ourselves as one, regardless of where we belong. What I have been preaching to them is, like I said in my opening speech to them, that we have been so divided. There has been so enmity within the Igbo community here, because people put sentiment and their political interests into our union. That was why the former union was destroyed. And the battle was tough, it was rough. We are going to the government, they were going to the court. But I want to tell my people that those days are gone. Now we have to reach out to our brothers and sisters wherever they are. And for the fact that they are not our member does not make them our enemy. Because we were one under this country. And who knows, maybe today or tomorrow, or in 2 years or 3 years, maybe we become one again. So I want my people to have political maturity and respect and acceptance that we cannot belong to the same union to be brothers and sisters. We cannot belong to the same religion to be brothers and sisters. We might belong to different unions, different religion, different class, but still we are brothers and sisters. That is what I want my fellow Igbo Welfare Association member to go out there to preach to our people. And I hope that the other group, the new people, that they will have the same mind, not to see us as their enemy, but to see us as their own brothers and sisters. And for one reason or the other, we may not belong to the same union. You understand what I mean? So that is the spirit, political maturity that I want to imbibe in my own union, so that it will reflect on others that feel like, because you don't belong to me, to my union, then you are my enemy. I will not do anything with you. I wanted to change that kind of mentality, because that is not positive. I'm a very positive man. I want to, it's all about forgiveness. It's all about tolerance. It's all about acceptance. It's all about, you know, knowing that accepting our differences with maturity and respect. You understand what I mean? But now the lack of it was what destroyed the old music country. That was what destroyed it. People couldn't tolerate that they are not in the same class, in the same union, or they don't have the same thoughts like everybody, then everybody is. You understand what I mean? But you can believe to misunderstand. Misunderstand. You understand what I mean? So that is the feelings, political maturity that I want. That is my lovely wife, the chair lady, you know, Mrs. of Igbo Welfare Association. My neighbor, Mrs. So that's my lovely wife. She has been giving me all the support, all the moral support, and my children, they have been there for us. So all my gratitude go to my wife and my family for the love love that exists within us. It has not been easy, but with a lovely wife, supporting woman, we keep on going. Yes.
Mrs. Onsofo, what do you have to say?
I'm so happy for this great occasion, and I want to thank every member of this union who have, one way or the other, contributed financially, morally, all their support to this union. At the same time, I want to thank my lovely husband, who has been the chairman, who is the chairman of this union. It's not easy, but I want to thank him for his hard work, efforts, everything he has contributed financially.
Thank you, Mr.
That is all I
Onsofo.
want to say.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Thank you for the interview. I appreciate it.
People's Club, Mamanu. People's Club, Amakanu. Mwapule sabwazi nobele mwano. Anabwazaka fumwatezeno. People's Club, Epugezeno. Na nwa gbara liri abụazị obere nwa anyị ekenebezie national president anyị Prince Tai Ike Umezuoke Eze Onyema 1 na Michi Are no konkwo sobilinu Achori chasonyo mandakeno Mwachine melo First Vice National President na People's Club nke Nigeria